Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're pulling another older New York City video out of the New York vault here on the New York channel on YouTube. It's the Oculus in downtown New York City. As you know, I've been digging up some older videos here from New York City, videos that kind of fell through the cracks here on YouTube for one reason or another. Like this Oculus one, it was very rarely seen. I don't think it was available for the past year or two. And I just wanted to bring it back because in 2022, I plan on doing a lot more new videos from New York City. And I just wanted to bring back some of these older ones that were rarely seen. But not to worry, there'll be plenty of Las Vegas, Atlantic City, and Orlando videos coming out in 2022 as well, every week here on the New York channel. Many of you don't know, as a matter of fact, most of you don't know, that I used to work down here in downtown Manhattan. I worked for Chase Manhattan in the Treasury Department as well as on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. I was an operations manager for both companies. So for several years I used to work, eat, drink, and yes, even sleep downtown Manhattan. Today we're going to revisit the Oculus, which is a major transportation hub for downtown Manhattan. It's in the shadow of the new, or sort of new, One World Trade Center here downtown. And it's a major subway hub as well as a shopping and restaurant hub as well for commuters from all over the tri-state area to downtown. So enjoy this video dug out of the New York channel vault, and let's check out the Oculus and see everything that's here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.